everyone, so in today's class I am going to teach how to make cactus plants. So first of all I will mix orange, black and brown clay together. And always remember, before using clay, always knead because it's very crucial. And then I will separate 3 balls out of it. Now take any pen and insert as I am doing in the video. And use your finger to give this a pot shape. See, we got our pot, and now put some clay inside so that it can resemble like mud. So following same method I also made 2 others. You can make as many as you wish. And for making plant, here I will use air dry clay. So this clay is in white color so that I can add many colors to it. Now take small amount of clay and give it a shape with your finger. And then use your clay tool to add details. And then stick this plant to the pot. Normally it can stick by itself, but if it is not sticking, you can add glue. By using same method I will also make other cactus. And one more thing, if you are an aspiring clay artist, you can contact on the number which is given on the video. Now stick both the arms to the plant. You know cactus comes in different size and shape, so here I am making other shape. Just use your clay tool to add detailings and make 2 little arms to give that fuller cactus look. And don't forget to add detailings on the arms too. Here I will also add a little flower to give that pokey look. Now for other flower, make 6 to 7 petals and stick petals one upon another. Then use your finger to roll all of this and stick it on the crown of the plant. If you want cute look, you can also draw eyes and smiles to it. And this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.